Why you need to get to a Take It Easy workshop by David Withington at Take It Easy. Take It Easy has gone back to basics and you need to be there. Go on, persuade me, David. Why should I go along to one of your Take It Easy classes? OK, I'll try to persuade you. The lockdowns have finally ended and Take It Easy is relaunched. And I'm currently building some brand new workshops. Huh? Don't you have loads of them already, David? Why new ones? Because, dear listener, we've gone right back to basics. In the previous season of Take It Easy, we did some workshops on topics like how to build a free website, SEO, search engine optimization, how to get found on Google, how to launch a podcast, and Google tools, and lots more besides that. But something happened. You see, when you listen to people, you find out what they really want to learn. Practical stuff. And when people ask some great questions such as, what is copy and paste? Is it like pasting wallpaper? What do you mean by left click on a mouse? And how do you arrange your pictures and things into folders on your computer? Well, when you hear those sort of questions, then you know that there are some exciting, practical and helpful Take It Easy workshops just waiting to be built. So that is what I'm doing. I'm building the Take It Easy Back to Basics workshops. Go on, what are they, David? Well, the first one was all about using a mouse. We determined what the left button does and what the right button does. And then we used a mouse to copy and paste, move text, highlight text, change text colour. In other words, we took the fear right out of using a computer. But don't worry if you missed it, because there's an article all about it on the Take It Easy website. But hey, I don't want to boast, but one attendee enjoyed that session so much that he even wrote a Google review. Thanks, Derek. So what's next, David? Well, I'm glad you asked. The next workshop is about email. Hey, I don't want to date this, but it's down at the Edge in Wigan on Wednesday, the 1st of September 2021 at 7:30 p.m. And there we'll be looking at things such as how to forward or reply and reply all to an email. How to delete sensitive parts of an email when you forward that email. What's CC and what's BCC and how do I use them? Getting an email account and composing a great email. And, of course, answering lots of questions that come up in the workshop. And in future weeks, we'll be doing topics such as folders, using Google to find anything, simple spreadsheets, and staying safe on Facebook, and lots of other topics besides that. But don't worry if you can't get to a particular workshop, because they're all individual workshops. You can pick a topic of interest, or you can attend them all. Oh, and did I tell you that the workshops we're running at the Edge are completely free? They're run as a community group. And on top of that, I simply enjoy the experience of helping people to learn new skills and succeed. And that is the reason you should attend Take It Easy. whether you want to learn the complete basics or you want to learn a new skill. Because Take It Easy takes tech and makes it easy.